Hey guys, Dr. Z. I'm here with Marshall Allen. We're going to talk about the single most underutilized source of power for American patients when you get a crazy bill. He's the author of Never Pay the First Bill. Marshall, what is that? How do we fight back?
Small claims court.
What?
Small claims court. Our American judicial system has been set up to empower consumers who are being exploited by powerful individuals or institutions through the small claims courts that exist in every state around the country. The limits are higher than you think. In some states, they're as high as $20,000 or $25,000. The guides are right there on the websites of the courts. You can file a case for about $20 or $30 online. So if you're being hit with a surprise medical bill or some unfair price gouging or an inaccurate medical bill, and you've tried to work this process through with that billing department and they've refused to help you, whether it's a hospital or a dentist or a doctor's office, consider suing them in small claims court. Let's consider how this flips the power balance. So right now you're getting hit with a bill. You're playing defense. You're trying to get the billing department to listen to you. They're blowing you off. They just hit you with the next bill. They're threatening to send you to collections. When you use small claims court, you go on offense instead of playing defense. You file that case, and let's think about it from their perspective. Now they have to respond to the summons to appear in court before a judge to defend their unfair practices. Now they have to hire an attorney at hundreds of dollars an hour of their expense to defend the case that you filed for about $30. It gives them the incentive that they need to come to the table and treat you fairly so that they can negotiate a bill with you that's a fair bill, not an unfair bill or not an inaccurate bill. So that's why small claims court is the number one most underutilized tool to empower patients in the United States.
I love it. I love it. And the only caveat I'll say is we're talking about unfair bills.
We're talking about unfair bills.
You're fighting unfair bills, which means it's going to put pressure on health systems and offices to say, hey, let's disclose what our prices are. Let's keep them fair. Let's not surprise patients. It's going to put pressure on insurance companies as well, because if they're declining claims or there's constant money games that are running up prices, that's got to stop. So
that's right.
This is a very powerful tool. Guys, I'll put a link to the book. And thank you, Marshall, for your wisdom. Become a subscriber. Click the subscribe button, then right to the right of is a little bell. Hit that bell. Booyah! You get notifications. Never miss any of our stuff. I love you guys. We out.